Most people, especially ladies, invest heavily in commercial face masks. Many of these commercially produced face masks contain synthetic chemicals, like alpha hydroxyl acids, which are harsh on the skin, and eventually cause some damage to the skin. Most of them cause skin dryness, scaling, and roughness, after wash, tightness of the skin, allergic contact dermatitis, skin irritation along with erythema, and itching. Furthermore, most of these artificial face masks leave facial residues on the skin, which helps to speed up the aging process and the appearance of wrinkles. Facial residues leave residue behind, which can clog pores and lead to blemishes. It's impossible to avoid every single synthetic chemical, but you can do your best in limiting the number of toxins your body is exposed to. There is a simple and cheap natural face mask, made with basic ingredients found in the kitchen. This face mask is anti-aging, gives the skin the much desired glow, and helps remove acne and pimples. It also helps to nourish the skin and keep the skin surface moist. Also, this homemade face mask helps to tighten facial muscles, thereby eliminating age lines. It's time to pamper your skin with this powerful homemade face mask. Thinking of a friendly face mask to use? This is it. Only 2 ingredients are required to produce this face mask: Irish potato starch and egg white. Irish potatoes. Irish potato, apart from being used as a food source, have immense benefits for the skin. They are 10 times more effective than aloe vera for improving facial complexion. Facial blemishes adversely affect the skin, and Irish potatoes are a great way to get rid of them. Regular use of Irish potatoes will help to improve collagen health, keeping the skin glowing and beautiful. Irish potatoes contain catecholase enzyme, which helps to get rid of hyperpigmentation, such as dark spots, blemishes, acne, scars, and pimples, leaving the skin glowing, clear, and refreshed. They also contain potassium, which hydrates and moisturizes the skin. They have vitamin B6, which improves new cell formation. The calcium present heals dry skin and protects the top layer. Irish potatoes also contain magnesium, which fights with free radicals that cause wrinkles. The vitamin C in Irish potatoes boosts collagen production, which helps to hydrate the skin and maintain skin elasticity and firmness, while the zinc heals and protects damaged tissues. They remove dead skin cells and impurities from the skin. The presence of mild bleaching properties in Irish potatoes reduces the melamine production, lowers hyperpigmentation, and lightens the skin effectively. Eggs. Eggs are an amazing nutrient-packed, natural food ingredient. The beauty benefits of egg white can come in handy for many common skin beauty issues. Egg white is high in protein. 1 large egg contains 3.6 grams of protein, which has skin tightening effects, helps in repairing tissues, and absorbs excess oil from the skin. Potassium, riboflavin, collagen, and magnesium are nutrients in eggs that have their own specialties. Potassium hydrates and moisturizes the face, and preserves the moisture in skin cells, and 1 egg white contains about 54 mg of potassium. Riboflavin eliminates toxic free radicals that cause wrinkles, and collagen helps with skin inflammation, and fills in wrinkle lines. About 62% of an egg's riboflavin content is in the white. Magnesium promotes youthful skin, while slowing down the aging process. Furthermore, egg white can tone the skin, firm the skin, by removing excess dirt, oil, and dead cells on the face. Remove unwanted facial hair, because of its adhesive properties, especially in areas like the upper lip, forehead, and cheeks. Egg white firms and shrinks pores. Whether the scar is from acne or other imperfections, egg whites rid the face of marks and blotches and replace them with smooth fair skin, while also lessening the appearance of pores. Egg white eliminates the puffy skin under the eyes that can make one look older, making the face appear fresher and more youthful. Egg white rids the face of blemishes. Egg whites clear the skin of dirt to sweep away acne and other blemishes because of their astringent properties. Minimizes oily skin. Egg whites can regulate sebum production, which is the cause of oily skin. Egg white protects the face from UV rays. Egg whites are an all-natural remedy to protect the face from getting burnt. They can form a protective layer over the face to avoid sunburn and blisters. Egg white eliminates blackheads. Because egg whites have astringent characteristics, meaning they tighten the facial tissues, they can pull out blackheads on the skin. Lifts the skin. Egg white lifts the skin and prevents sagging around areas such as the cheeks and under the eyes. Egg white lessens acne and acne scarring. Acne is a result of oversecretion on the skin of sebum and oily features. Now let's look at the method of preparation for this natural face mask. Ingredients: Irish potatoes, 1 large, 1 tablespoon Irish potato starch. Egg, 1 large or jumbo, 1 tablespoon egg white. Method: wash and peel the potato using a knife or peeler. Grate manually using a grater, or cut into small cubes, and blend using the blender. Strain using strainer or cheesecloth. Let the potato juice sit for 1 hour, so that the starch will sediment. Extract the starch from the potato juice, by carefully decanting the liquid on top, leaving only the white starch sediment. Wash the egg, break, and carefully separate the yolk from the egg white, or use an egg separator. You can sit most egg separators at the edge of a bowl for hands-free use. Mix equal quantities of Irish potato starch and egg white, 1 tablespoon each thoroughly, using either a fork or egg whisk, until you get a uniform consistency. Wash the face and pat dry. Apply the mixture, that's face mask, in upward strokes on the face, using face brush or cotton facial pad. Leave on the skin for half an hour, rinse with warm water, and pat dry. That's it. Apply mask 2 to 3 times a week, for best results. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Please subscribe, and hit the notification bell, so you will get a notification as soon as I upload a new video. Thank you all for your constant support. Love you guys. See you all in my next video.